Hello class 7. Today we are going to revise the contribution of monasteries or how the monasteries became the center of education. Contribution of monasteries or how monasteries became the center of education. There we will see that even during the dark age, during the middle age, as some historians call it the dark age, they say that education suffered a decline as the educational institutions were attacked by the barbarian, and due to barbarian attack people could not go to the educational institutions. But we see that even during this tough time, the monasteries kept the light of knowledge burning, and thus they emerged as the center of learning. That we will see how it happened. So first and foremost we must mention that monasteries kept the light of knowledge burning. How they kept, that we will discuss. Now what happened in this tough situation was that with the people who are attacked in different places, they are leaving their houses, they are leaving their places, and they are coming to take shelter in the monasteries. So people took shelter in the monasteries. And as the people are taking shelter in the monasteries, we see that they are carrying with them their books and manuscripts. So these people, they carried with them their own books and manuscript. Manuscripts are handwritten documents, you can say study materials or handwritten documents basically. So they are carrying this with them in the monasteries, and when they are reaching the monastery, they are taking shelter there. They are keeping those books and manuscripts over there. And there in the monasteries, these people are continuing their education, their studies. The monks are helping the people to get knowledge and education, and the monks are also translating many important books and helping the people to learn them. They are opening schools also, so the monks and the monasteries played an important role during this time. Then we see when the barbarian attack was stopped for some time, these people are returning back to their homes and returning back to their own places. But when they are returning back to their places, they have an apprehension that again the barbarian can attack. In this fear that again the barbarian may attack, they are not taking their books and manuscripts from the monasteries. So they are leaving the monasteries, but they are not taking the books and monasteries from the monasteries, books and manuscripts from the monasteries. So these books and manuscripts were preserved in the monastery, and education was given from there in the monasteries. So these monasteries, where many books and manuscripts were preserved, gradually emerged as the center of education. So people were getting their education from the monasteries, and the monks played an important part. Monks in the monasteries played an important part in spread of education from these monasteries, because monasteries were safe places and these places were rarely attacked by the barbarian. So monasteries gradually developed as a center of learning. And this was the most important contribution of monasteries, that even during the tough time, even during the dark age, the monasteries kept the light of knowledge burning, and even the barbarians were educated by the monasteries. In later days, we will see the monks played an important role in educating the barbarian. As the barbarians are getting education, their way is also changing. They are also trying to accept some of the Roman laws and custom. So the monasteries basically played an important role in civilizing the barbarian. Of course, they accepted Christianity, and due to Christianity they became civilized. But we see that they got their education from the monasteries in later days. And initial days, when the barbarians were attacking, these monasteries gave education to the common people who were interested in the studying. And and these books and manuscripts were all preserved in the monasteries. That became an important factor because these books and manuscripts were published later on. Later on, these books and handwritten documents were there. During that time, printing was not there. So handwritten documents were created and were circulated among the people. Many more copies of the books and manuscripts were created. So these helped in the flow of learning, flow of knowledge was there due to the monasteries. And when the people are returning who are carrying their books in the monasteries, they are not taking back their books and manuscripts, their study material. They are not taking back. So monasteries preserved them very well, and the monks played an important part later on in the spread of education because they are translating books in easy languages. And also we see that from Greek and Hebrew, which was not a common language, they are publishing books in Latin, which was a common language of the Roman people. So many people can read these books. Also the monks are setting up schools. Like we know the St. Augustine set up schools, and they are encouraging people to learn the things, learn new things. So in this way, the monks and the monasteries played an important role in the spread of education, and the monasteries became the center of learning during the medieval age. So the questions that can come from this part is that how do you think the monasteries became a center of learning? Or do you think that the monasteries contributed in the development of knowledge and learning during the Dark Age? These type of questions can come. Then you have to write the contributions of the monasteries. Also add in some of the monks' contribution. That because the monks were residing in the monasteries, you have to add the contribution of the monks also. The monks are starting up schools, and they are translating books and encouraging people with their ideals. These things you have to mention in your answer. And we see that the different type of question can come, that what was the contribution of monasteries, how the monasteries kept the light of knowledge burning, how monasteries became a center of learning. All questions can come, but the answer will be same. Thank you.